Hey guys, it's me, Shannon, and you're watching my first cooking video. Can you guys believe it? I'm super excited. I've been wanting to do this for so long, so today I'm gonna do it. Yeah, here we go. We're gonna be making easy dishes that anyone can make. Today's dish is Sopita. Let's go. All right, guys, so the first thing we're gonna be needing today is a filet of some type. I really like the Estrellas one, but you can pick from anyone. We're also gonna be needing a can of tomato sauce. I'd say if you're looking for a ratio, you need 1 can for every bag of filet. We're also using some oil, which is gonna be helpful for browning your filet a little bit later. I'm using water today. However, I would normally use chicken broth, but we're in a quarantine. I can't find too many ingredients, so there we go. We're also gonna be using chicken flavored bouillon. This is especially important if you're using water because it's gonna give you that chicken broth flavor. Garlic and onion are great additives. I just ran out, so garlic it is. We're also gonna be using pepper and salt. And then I think the most important ingredient is cilantro. This one's pretty important. I am just kind of bundling it up and then I'm chopping it. This is the way my mom taught me how to chop it. So yeah, I'm just doing it right there. This is also really helpful so you don't get any stems in your sopita. That's not really tasty. All right, and then we're gonna also cut some lime. This is kind of important as well. It's gonna give you that tangy flavor. So anyways, let's get started. You're gonna wanna make sure that your pan is on a medium to high heat. I'm just coating the pan with oil, and then this is a perfect time to add in that garlic and onion. Remember, we don't wanna saute it. We wanna just make sure that it's tender enough. All right, next thing we're gonna be adding is our filet. Work pretty quickly with this. We wanna make sure that we're coating that filet with oil because we wanna brown it, not burn it, but brown it. Alrighty, and the next thing we're gonna be adding in once it's all brown and toasty is your tomato sauce. Yep, and that's pretty much it. And we're also gonna be adding water in after this. Guys, what's your favorite quarantine meal? Is it mac and cheese? Is it sopita? What are you guys eating? Make sure to comment down below. Alrighty guys, I'm just gonna mix that around, make sure that we're coating everything, and then this is where I'm gonna add in that chicken bouillon. Guys, I can't tell you the measurements because you know what? I'm Hispanic and there's not really any measurements, but I'm sure that's how everyone is too. We're just gonna kind of eye on here. I kind of use the lid of that chicken bouillon as a measurement. I'm also gonna add in a couple pinches of salt and a pinch of pepper. I did a little too much on this one, so oops. And it's okay, it'll cook through. We're gonna move that around, and then again, the most important ingredient I think is the cilantro. I know some people kind of top it after as a garnish, but I actually like to cook with it. That's very, very important. We're also gonna use lime on this one as well. And then that's pretty much it. We're gonna do a taste test, of course. Is it good? It was good. Oh, 2 thumbs up. Alrighty. And then we're just literally going to let it sit there for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then you're going to move it around. And that's it. Guys, we were done. It wasn't that super easy. Anyway, I'm just kind of topping it with some lime. And then, of course, we're going to garnish it with a little bit more cilantro. Yay. Guys, I appreciate you watching this video. Thank you so much. If you have a recipe that you want me to do, definitely comment down below. But again, this bite is for you. There you go. That one's for you. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Bye.